Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the trademark symbol on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to write or type the or insert the trademark symbol on WPS writer. So actually it's easier to insert the trademark symbol. So you just need to click on the insert option here. Then you can just go to the symbol option here. You can also make a drop menu which you can use the recently used symbols or custom symbols, and click on the more symbols or click on the symbol option here. After clicking it, you can see there is a symbol, special characters and custom symbols. We just click on the special characters. Here guys, there are a lot of other options to have a custom special symbols which we will use regularly. You just click on the trademark TM symbol and click on insert option wherever that you want. For an example, I need the symbol here, so I just close this first and I just making the key here. Then click on the symbol and go to the special character, click on the trademark and click the insert option. You can see now the WPS Office writer trademark symbol has been inserted. I think you have a clear idea about how to insert the trademark symbol on your document. If this video really helped you, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the WPS Office writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.